So for today's lesson, sorry about that wire. For today's lesson, I needed to choose two objects to guess their height. So for this basketball hoop, I guess it would be 5 feet. I was wrong, it was 4.6 feet, and now I'm going to show you how I got that. So I started off by, I knew I had to do tangent because I already had the opposite and the adjacent, so I just had to find, I had the adjacent and the opposite, so I just had to find this side right here. So for that, now I had tangent 18 degrees, and I'll explain to you why. I put this my clinometer here. I did this, and I pulled. Oh my bad, guys. 1 second. And I pulled the string down. As you can see, it goes down about at the 72 mark, something like that. And then so 90 minus 72 is equal to 18 degrees, and that's how I got my angle of elevation. And then, so that's how I got the tangent 18. So then, the point 32 is what tangent 18 is equivalent to. Then you multiply that by 5 to get 1.6 feet. And since the person is already 3 feet, you know that all of this is going to be 3 feet. And then the 1.6 feet just fills up this little part right here. That adds up to 4.6 feet for the hoop. That's how the hoop is 4.6 feet and not 5, like my prediction. And then the second thing I chose to do was the height of a house. As you can see, this is a 6-foot person. The house ended up being 10.2 feet. I thought it would be like 8 feet. However, it was not, so I'll explain to you why now. So I got tangent 23 degrees, and I'll explain to you how. Since I already had the opposite and the adjacent once again, because it's at around the same angle, that's how it worked out to be. I didn't even plan it to be like that, but that's how it is. So, and then I got that, as you can see, it went down at about the 72, 73 mark, something like that. So that's how I got 90 minus, you have to do 90, minus 72, which is equal to 23, and that's how I got the angle of elevation. I cannot talk right now, I'm sorry. So then the tangent 23 degrees is also equivalent to 0.42. Then you multiply that by 15, because the distance between the house is 10, but then you have to cut the house in 5 because the highest part of the house is also 5. Like, it's right here in the middle, so you have to cut the house by 2, because it's 10, so it's going to be 2 pieces of 5, as you can see. And then, so that's how I got the 15 part. You multiply the 0.42 by 15, you get x is equal to 6.3. So then you add the 6.3 feet. I'm sorry, I still didn't change that part. You add the 6.3 feet to the 6 feet person, because he already takes up all the space. You add the other 6.3 here. Then you don't get 10.2, you get 12.2. You get 12.3, sorry about that. So then you change it, 12.3. And then